I'm Thomas. I'm from Taiwan, and I'm year 51. Today, as you can see, we're gathering up these branches that this beautiful elders wants us to do, and then probably like it will help her a lot, like in terms of like burning it afterwards. Like we're just helping her out. In this class, we often visit elders or like farmers in our community, and we do like seeding, farming, and we all like visit elders and then like talk to them or like help them out in like farm work.
Okay, my name is Zihan Zhao and I'm from China. This is my third year in Canada. Many of my friends was in it. They enjoyed it as a first year, and then the CAS I was joining last year as a first year student, it was closed. So I thought I would join them in this Metchosin House CAS, and they turned out to be really fun, so I decided to stay in there.
Okay. Hi, I'm Chloe He. I'm from China. Mainly responsible for reaching out to the people who need our help and to communicate with them via emails, and then to arrange activities and as well as communicate with May and with the people who need our help, like on the bridge.
I'm May. I'm the supervisor of Metchosin House CAS for 4 years, I guess. Yeah, 4 years. I mean, personally, I like to do service. I like to engage, to connect with the locals, and I like to talk a lot, you know me. So I think it's good that to create some kind of impact and bonding with the local people. And you know, Metchosin area is very less populated, and there are a lot of farms and seniors. They all need our service, and I think as a school we would like to create some impact.
I joined this class because I also like we can choose 2 classes per year, and I wanted to combine one of the sports with one of the service, and this is like the most, I think, impactful service class I can find on this campus.
I really enjoy volunteering, and it provides me a good opportunity of engaging in this local Canadian community as an international student, and that's really interesting.
And I think it offers me chances to do some practical skills other than paperwork, which is, I think, really beneficial in the future life.
Its name is Metchosin House, but we are planning to change it to My Chosen House, since May had some new ideas of promoting more students to come to our CAS, and My Chosen is the same like pronunciation as My Chosen, so she feels like it's pretty fun, and we all feel like it's pretty interesting, so we might change it next year.
High five, guys.